Thank you very much for attention. My name is Daud. I work at Musamus University, Civil Engineering Study Program. I will share paper with the title Experimental Study of Compressive Strength of Lightweight Concrete using Wood Carcel. Thank you very much for the time given. The title of paper, Experimental Study of Compressive Strength of Lightweight Concrete using Wood Carcel. Next. Introduction. The use of lightweight concrete materials in Indonesia, especially in the Merauke Regency, can be an alternative amid the rapid development of the housing sector. Lightweight concrete can be obtained from the use lightweight aggregates that can be obtained naturally or artificially. Lightweight concrete can also be produced without the use of the fine aggregate in the past mixture, so that at least it can save the existing materials. Next. Research sites. The research was carried out at the Civil Engineering Laboratory, Musamus University in Merauke. The wood carcel use is taken around the Semangga district, Merauke Regency, which sells wood carcel, while the sand use in imported material from outside Merauke Regency. Research methods. Carrying out the research experiment study of compressive strength of lightweight concrete using wood carcel using the experimental method planning, the proportion of the concrete mix to be used in research is the use. Can be seen in table 1. Next. Result and discussion. The result in the experimental in examination of the physical properties of the material sense can be seen in table 2. The result of the from examination the physical properties in laboratory can be seen in table 3. Next. Concrete mix design. The concrete or mix design, the result of the comparison of the volume of material requirement per meter cubic can be seen in the table 4. And the average failure of the 28 days old concrete density can be seen in table 5. Next. Yield value of concrete compression strength can be seen in the table 6. Concrete compressive strength in test result can be seen in table 6. And the result of lightweight concrete compressive strength of density can be seen in table 7. Next. Comparison of the compressive strength of lightweight concrete for each day of the test and the scene of the table 8. The table 8 in the comparison of the concrete compressed strength values. The recapitulation of the compressive strength of the concrete for all comparison variation and tax day will be presented in the following graph in the figure 1. Next. From the recapitulation of the compressive strength of concrete above, the compressive strength of concrete on the tax day of decrease by the 57.41% can be seen if the recapitulation of the percentage decreases on the comparative strength of concrete for all compressive variation and test days can be seen in table 9. Next. Conclusion. From the result of testing and discussion of the compressive strength of lightweight concrete using wet Carcel as coarse aggregate, it can be seen that the result of the concrete compressive tests obtained follow as follow. The use of wood Carcel aggregate as coarse aggregate in concrete resulting in the crisis in the failure of strength compressive concrete. The compressive strength failures of 28 days obtained from a ratio of the 1 comparison 2 is a 23.01 MPa. While the failure of the compressive strength of the lightweight concrete using wood coarse aggregate with a ratio of 1 comparison 2 2.5 in 8 MPa or a ratio of S1 comparison 2 comparison 5 of 6.89 MPa. The wood Carcel materials used as coarse aggregate can meet the standard of lightweight concrete because the strength of lightweight concrete obtained meets the requirement for evaluating the strength of lightweight concrete, which is 6.89 MPa for the minimum standard of lightweight concrete construction. Thank you very much.